Today we're talking about something we've all probably done. Grabbing yesterday's gym clothes for a quick workout. It seems harmless, right? You were only in them for an hour. They don't smell that bad. But what if I told you that simple act could be secretly undoing some of your hard-earned workout benefits, even before your muscles have had a chance to recover? It sounds dramatic, but stick with me, because the science behind it is pretty fascinating and a little bit gross. The moment you start your workout and begin to sweat, your gym clothes turn into the perfect home for microscopic squatters. It's not just about moisture. The fabric, especially modern synthetic materials, is incredibly efficient at trapping not only your sweat, but also your natural skin oils and, you guessed it, bacteria. These tiny organisms get wedged deep within the fibers, creating a hidden ecosystem you can't see or even always smell right away. This is where things get interesting. You finish your workout, toss the clothes in a hamper, and think the story ends there. But it's just beginning. Let's dive into the laundry cycle. You wash your clothes and you assume they come out sterile and clean. Not necessarily. Here's a surprising twist. Studies have shown that certain stubborn bacteria, like Staphylococcus aureus, a common culprit in skin infections, can actually survive a trip through the washing machine, especially if the clothes aren't dried completely and immediately afterward. If your clothes sit damp in the washer or don't get fully dried, you're basically giving these surviving microbes a perfect, humid environment to regroup and multiply. So, that clean pile of laundry might not be as clean as you think. Now let's say you decide to rewear those clothes from yesterday. Maybe they passed the sniff test, or maybe you're just in a rush. The moment you put them on and start moving, your body heat and the friction from your workout reactivate this dormant microbial community. It's like flicking a switch. The warmth and new sweat create an all-you-can-eat buffet for the bacteria that were already there. They start multiplying at an explosive rate. This is what leads to that strong, unmistakable gym odor. It's not your sweat itself, but the waste products from all this bacterial activity. But it's not just about the smell. This bacterial boom can have real consequences for your skin. Have you ever noticed unexplained breakouts, like acne on your back or chest? After hitting the gym, your re-worn clothes could be the direct cause. The combination of trapped oils, sweat, and a thriving bacterial colony can easily clog your pores, leading to what's often called Bacne. And it gets worse. This warm, moist environment is also ideal for fungus to grow. This can lead to unpleasant fungal infections like ringworm or jock itch, which are not only uncomfortable, but can be tricky to get rid of. Here's another critical piece of the puzzle. Exercise, especially intense exercise, creates tiny microscopic tears and abrasions on your skin. Think about where your clothes rub the most, under your arms, along your waistband, or where seams press against your skin. These areas are not just irritated, they're essentially creating tiny, open doorways for bacteria to enter your body. When you're wearing dirty clothes packed with microbes, you're basically delivering these germs directly to vulnerable entry points. This is why you might see rashes or red, irritated patches exactly where the seams of your clothes have been rubbing. It's your body's inflammatory response to a bacterial invasion. So, when we talk about wearing fresh gym clothes for every workout, it's not about being a laundry perfectionist or some kind of luxury. It's about basic health and hygiene. It's about breaking a microbial loop that your body has to silently fight off after every single workout. Think about it. After you exercise, your body is in recovery mode. It's working hard to repair muscle fibers and adapt to the stress you just put on it. The last thing you want is to force it to divert energy to also fight off a low-grade skin infection or inflammation caused by your own clothes. You're essentially adding another layer of stress for your body to deal with, which can interfere with your overall recovery process. So what's the solution? It's simple. Wash your gym clothes after every single use. Use a good detergent and don't let them sit wet in the hamper or the washing machine. Dry them thoroughly and immediately. If you work out multiple times a week, it is worth investing in enough workout gear to get you through to your next laundry day without rewearing anything. It might seem like a small change, but it makes a huge difference. You'll protect your skin, reduce your risk of infections, and ensure that your body can focus all its energy on what it's supposed to be doing after a workout, recovering and getting stronger. It is one of the easiest ways to support your fitness journey and make sure nothing gets in the way of your progress. So next time you're tempted to grab that day-old shirt, remember the invisible battle you'd be starting. Choose fresh and let your body thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you stay healthy and strong. See you in the next one.